Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's class, we are going to look at this question on the board. This question actually comes from a trigonometric past exam, as a WAEC past question. So if today is your first time of coming across this my page, consider following me, because this page is loaded with content that will enlighten you academically. Now, we have that if tan theta is equal to 4 over 3, evaluate 3 sine theta plus 2 cos theta all over 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta. So this question is very easy. Now, one thing that you need to first of all consider, if theta here, look at tan theta, is equal to 4 over 3, which means we have a positive angle. So that means our theta could be in our first quadrant or third quadrant. Now remember that in our third quadrant, we have all here is positive, then sine here is positive, then tan theta is positive, and cos is what? Positive. You can say cast or you say ast. Okay? So when you are moving from here, that's cast. So now in this case, theta could either be here or here. So put that into your mind. But now I can solve this problem in two ways. So one of the easiest way for someone who is still learning, who is still trying to understand trigonometry, is to draw your right angled triangle. So you can just draw your right angled triangle this way. So if you draw it this way, then you can just put, since we are told that tan theta is 4 over 3, that means here is 4, then this becomes 3. And according to Pythagorean triple, when you find this side using Pythagoras theorem, so we are going to have here as 5. So from here, you can have your sine theta equal to 4 over 5. Then you can have your cos theta equal to 3 over 5. Then the next thing you just need to do is to plug this value, substitute them for sine theta and cos theta, and you will arrive at what? A particular value. But I don't want to use that way. Let me do it as a big boy. So for the big boys, this is how we solve it. Look at it. Okay, now for the big boys, this is how we are going to solve. Since we are given our tan theta is equal to this, I want to look for a way to manipulate this expression here, where we have 3 sine theta plus 2 cos theta all over 3 sine theta, then minus 2 cos theta. Now, what we are going to do now, I want to look for a way I can manipulate this and get my tan theta. And remember that in one of our trigonometric identities, tan theta is equal to what? Sine theta over cos theta. So what am I going to do to make this one have tan theta? I am going to divide both sides by cos. Since here I can have over cos theta, and then also here have over cos theta, then I will have tan theta. Then cos theta can just cancel out. Now let's look at what we are going to do. Now we are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. Divide both sides so that we have 3 sine theta all over cos theta, then plus 2 cos theta over cos theta. That is for the numerator. Now let's go also to the denominator. We also have a 3 sine theta over cos theta, then plus 2 cos theta over cos theta. So from here, this one and this one can cancel out. This one cancel out. Then we have 3 sine theta over cos theta. Automatically, we are told that what tan theta is equal to sine theta over what? Cos theta. So this will now give us 3 tan theta, okay, because the 3 is multiplying sine theta over cos theta, then plus 2, that's your numerator, then all over, here also 3 tan theta minus, then this one is already gone, we have minus 2. So from here, let's just substitute tan theta into the expression. I will arrive at our answer. So tan theta is 4 over 3. So let's go to the numerator. The numerator becomes 3 times 4 over 3, then minus, oh, that's plus 2, all over. Down here, denominator has 3 times 4 over 3, then minus 2. So this 3 and this 3 is gone. This one and this one is gone. So up here, we are left with a 4 plus 2. That's 6. Then here becomes 4 minus 2. Remember, this becomes 4 plus 2 over 4 minus 2, okay? Now, 4 plus 2 is 6, therefore minus 2 is for 2. So final answer equal to 3. So if you use the other method of drawing your triangle, right angle triangle, you are still going to obtain this. I hope you enjoy this solution. So this particular method is for the big boys, right? If you enjoy this lesson, please help us to share this post so we could get to greater number of students on this platform. As you do so, God bless you. Bye.